Holy shit, guys, just look at this. Look at all of it. Okay, we're getting ready to go out on the mountain. We got some fresh snow that just started about an hour ago, and it looks like it's going to keep on going all day, and they're calling for about 3 to 5 inches. So we're going to have food right now. We're going to suit up. Super nice morning. The vibe is just like, it's really cool. It's one of those cozy snowy mornings. So this is the kind of days that are my favorite. So I'm gonna eat. There's some fresh snow outside. I'll show you guys everything, and hopefully we get out there pretty soon. It's 8:03. The mountain opens at 8:30. I'm planning on trying to get out there at 8:45, just 15 minutes after the opening, or as soon as possible. So yeah, I'm gonna eat, and we have blueberry pancakes right now, so I'm gonna definitely be pretty set for the rest of the day. I'm all suited up right now, so we're gonna head on to the mountain and grab my GoPro batteries. I got a lot pretty set for today, so hopefully we get some cool shots out there and ski some fresh snow.
But nothing can hurt us in our bubble, for better or worse, in an uphill struggle. No regrets and windows down.
Got a ton of snow that came down. Let's hope it's good.
Better than yesterday?
Oh yeah,
Good.
we got fresh snow, right?
I was gonna say, right?
Oh, it's gonna be so good.
Dry your eyes, forget about the others. Let's escape the silence together. Just say the word. I don't know when we'll get there, but we're still young. In their universe, we're just causing trouble, but nothing can hurt us in our bubble, for better or worse, in an uphill struggle. No regrets and windows down, 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 down.
I tend to get a little overly excited when it comes to new snowfall, because the conditions really aren't that different from yesterday. I actually think it's a little crunchier, but you could still find your really fun spots of fresh snow. But however, I do think it is going to get a lot better over the day goes, or as the day goes on. But nonetheless, still always just so fun being out of the mountains. I'm having a great time right now. And fresh snowfall, I mean, like, you can't really complain about that. No matter how much snow you get, it's always just so awesome skiing in a whiteout, snow-covered trees and everything. So yeah, gonna continue this run. I hope you guys are enjoying so far, because I definitely am.
Don't be ashamed. We can't always leave this place and go where no one knows our name.
Perfect timing, right?
Need needed their permission to believe in ourselves. So come with me. We could spend the weekend doing everything they said we'd never do. In their universe, we're just causing trouble, but nothing can hurt us in our bubble. For better or worse, in an uphill struggle, no regrets and windows down, 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 down. Dry your eyes, forget about the others. Let's escape the silence together. Just say the word. I don't know when we'll get there, but we're still young. In their universe, we're just causing trouble, but nothing can hurt.
It got so much better out here. It's snowing so much. Look at all this. Absolutely insane. Wow, what a good day of skiing that was. As you can see, with great skiing comes a great amount of cleaning. There's quite a bit of snow on the floor, but it doesn't really matter. We had a great time out there today. Oh, that's the best feeling after a good day of skiing. Hot chocolate, looking at all the snow outside, getting darker, charging all the batteries. Can't really ask for much more than that. I would say, compared to opening weekend, today definitely started off a lot slower, but as soon as the snow picked up around 2 o'clock, it got a lot better. The coverage got really good. The snow was just so fluffy. I was blowing it everywhere. And even before that was really fun. And opening day was probably the other best day of the season. But other than that, it was a great day nonetheless. I try not to rank days too much, but sometimes it just gets way too fun. As you can see, I'm vlogging on the GoPro right now. I want to see what this camera, or how this camera works for vlogging, and just filming everything, because usually I use the big camera for just talking to you guys or doing cinematic stuff. And I'm obviously still going to use that camera because it can do a lot more in certain scenarios, but just talking to you guys, I want to see how this camera works. GoPro 11 on a Super View or Hyper View can provide some pretty cool stuff. So I'm gonna get everything drying. Next day of skiing will be sometime soon, but not tomorrow. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy these videos because today was so much fun. Holy shit, guys, just look at this. Look at all of it. There's just so much. Like, I'm in my slippers right now. I don't even care. There's so much snow. This is awesome. It's just absolutely dumping. Isn't this just insane? Like, this is honestly like my favorite thing, just to watch the snow come down and then be able to ski it the next day. It's just... making us some food, making meat sauce. I'm all showered and comfortable now. The snow calmed down a little bit, but it's still falling, and it's just so nice cooking with a nice view of the snow outside the window. I just gotta clear all this up so I could cook better. And yeah, hopefully dinner is great. Set. He doesn't think I'm gonna eat all this, but I'm gonna prove him wrong. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was a great day, great first powder day of the season. a few years ago we had a year that kind of went exactly like this. November was very actually this November started off good, but it got very rainy for a while, and then the snowstorms started picking up like mid-December. That's how it's happening now, and that year we had like a ton of powder days, so let's hope for more. Let's hope we get them. Let's hope that this tastes as good as it looks, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed. Please consider subscribing and leaving a like, sending it to anybody you know. It would really help. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Later.